In this video, I will show you how to add subtitles in a YouTube video. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm currently here on youtube.com. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually go into your YouTube studio. So if you come up to the top right hand corner, click on your profile icon. And from here, what you want to do is come down and click onto YouTube Studio. So just a note at this point, you can do this on new videos that you upload, and the process is the same if you want to add subtitles to existing videos as well. So make sure to follow along with the steps, and this would apply if it's a new upload or any existing videos. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and select one of my existing videos. So what I'm going to do is go onto content on the left hand side, and then what I'm going to do is just come down and choose one of these videos. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one here, how to delete Gmail account. And what you want to do is click onto the little pencil icon just to be taken into the details. So from here, what you're going to want to do first is to add the caption in. You just want to scroll down, and basically there's going to be some options available. So you just want to scroll down a bit until you get to this section here which says language and caption certification. Now from here you want to make sure you select the correct language. So for my example, I'm going to go ahead and change this to English. So I'm just going to select this from the drop down box, and again for the title and description language you want to change this to English as well, just so YouTube knows what language the video is in. And also what you want to do is select this caption certification. Now this is basically if your content's ever been on TV in the US, you can see there's some options, but you do need to select these if you are adding captions. So once that's done, you want to go ahead and click the save button. So that's up here in the top right hand corner, just to save any changes. So depending on the length of your video, it could take a few minutes to a few hours to sometimes even a day or two for the captions and the subtitles to be added. So to actually check if they've been added, what you want to do once you've clicked onto the video is if you come to the menu on the left hand side, you're going to see the subtitles option here. So if you go ahead and give that a click, and you'll see because this video is only short, it's only 2 minutes, it's actually done that straight away. You can see it says here publish, which means that the subtitles are available for this video, and you can add additional languages if you want to. So if you actually click onto this blue duplicate and edit button over here, on the right hand side, you're going to get something say overwrite track. This will overwrite your existing English draft. If you go ahead and click continue, what you're going to see, this is going to bring up the actual subtitles for your video. So you can see how accurate these subtitles are. And of course you can make any changes to these if you want, if anything's not the same. So once that's done and you're happy with everything, just go ahead and click publish. And you'll see that's added any changes here. So you can see the latest changes has now been added to the video. So that's all published, ready to go. And that is how you go ahead and add subtitles to YouTube videos. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. And if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to leave a like on the video and also consider subscribing to the channel. For that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.